In this video, we will continue solving first order differential equations. This time, we will solve Bernoulli's equation. Bernoulli's equation looks like this. It can be put in this form, then it will be called Bernoulli's equation. It may be noted that this equation looks almost the same as a linear equation except for y raised to the power n, which multiplies qx. Bernoulli's equation has this look. It may be noted that this equation looks almost the same as a linear equation except for y raised to the power n, which multiplies qx. Here we will discuss first solution using a substitution method. Let us look at this example. It is y dash plus xy is equal to x into y raised to the power 3. This looks exactly like this equation where px is x, qx is also x, and n is equal to 3. Dividing throughout by y to the power 3, we get this result. Now this is an important step. Let a new variable u be written as y to the power minus 2. Minus 2, it is just 1 minus n. 1 minus n is this. Therefore, du by dx becomes, after differentiating this, we get this result. Or 1 divided by y to the power 3 into y dash is equal to minus 1 by 2 into du by dx. The given differential equation becomes minus 1 by 2 into du by dx plus x into u is equal to x, or du by dx minus 2xu is equal to minus 2x. This equation is a linear equation whose integrating factor is given by this. Thus, the solution is given by u into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx. This becomes e to the power minus x square plus a constant of integration c. This equation is now rewritten here or here, or substituting for u, we get this result, which is the final solution of the given differential equation. Now let's have another solution which is called direct solution. We have noted that the Bernoulli's equation has the form y dash plus px into y plus qx into y to the power n. We may solve this equation directly by first finding the integrating factor, which is e to the power integral of 1 minus n into px dx. Solution is given by y to the power 1 minus n into if is equal to integral of 1 minus n into if into qx dx plus c. Now let's take up the next example, which is solve this problem. X into dy by dx plus 5y is equal to 2x square into y raised to the power 4. Given that y is equal to 3 at x is equal to 1. So here we are trying to find a particular solution after we find the general solution. And particular solution will involve the evaluation of the constant of integration using this condition. So solution proceeds as shown below. We divide throughout by x and get dy by dx is equal to plus dy by dx plus 5 into y by x is equal to 2x into y raised to the power 4. This is Bernoulli's equation with px equal to 5 by x, qx equal to 2x, and n equal to 4. Thus if is equal to, as defined previously, it is e raised to the power integral of 1 minus n into px into dx. This px is substituted here and we get this result or this result. Therefore integrating factor is equal to e raised to the power ln of x raised to the power minus 15. This is equal to, please note, e and ln, they cancel out and what remains is x raised to the power minus 15. Thus the solution is y raised to the power 1 minus n into integrating factor is equal to integral of 1 minus n into qx into integrating factor dx plus c. Therefore y to the power minus 3 into x to the power minus 15 is this, or y to the power minus 3 is this. Dividing throughout by y to the power minus 3, we get this, which is the general solution. So if y is given at x is equal to 1 as 3, we will be able to find c. Substituting these values in the result, we get 1 is equal to this, or c is equal to this, or c is equal to this. Thus the particular solution is 1 equal to this. Let's take up the next problem, which is solve xy dash plus y is equal to 1 by y square. Rewriting the given equation, we get this. Let u be equal to y raised to the power 1 minus n, where n is equal to minus 2. So u becomes y to the power 3, or y is equal to u to the power 1 by 3, or dy by dx is equal to 1 by 3 into u raised to the power minus 2 by 3 into du by dx. Thus the given equation becomes this in terms of u. Multiplying throughout by u to the power 2 by 3, we get this result, or this result. This is now a linear equation with p equal to 3 by x and q equal to 3 by x. Or we get the result du by dx plus 3 by x is equal to 3 by x. This is now a linear equation with p equal to 3 by x and q equal to also 3 by x. The integrating factor is e to the power p dx. Integral is equal to this, e to the power integral of 3 dx by x, or integrating factor is equal to e to the power 3 ln of x is equal to e raised to the power ln of x cube. Since e and ln, they cancel out, so result is x cube. The result is x cube. Thus the solution is u into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx. The result is this or this. U is equal to 1 from here by dividing throughout by x to the power 3. So therefore now substituting for u in terms of y, we get this as the solution, final solution. Thank you.